Hey guys, welcome back to this solved question paper series. We are solving 18 scheme M1 September 2022 exam. This question is from second module. So before going to the solutions, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. So the question is evaluate limits of tan x by x power 1 by x approaches to 0. So whenever you see question of limit, first you need to do is evaluate limit by substituting x equal to 0, okay, in place of x, and see what the immediate result is. Okay. So before doing that, we need to, I'll tell you one or two identities, you can call them identities. They are basically, if you have limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, this is equal to 1. This is a known solution. So if you have limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, solution is of this question is 1. Okay, so we have, this is relevant because we have limit x tends to 0, tan x by x. We have 1 power 1 by x here, but the result of this is what? That is 1. Okay, so I can rewrite this as like this: limit x tends to 0 of tan x is x. If you send this x that side, it will be limit x tends to 0, tan x is equal to x. So these two are the results or the identity you have to know before we have to solve this question. So tan x by x is 1 and power 1 by 0. If you substitute x equal to 0 here, 1 by 0 is infinity. So this evaluates to 1 by infinity, which is not accepted because it's an indeterminate form. We don't know what the value of 1 power infinity is. So what you do when you have 1 power infinity, you have to take log on both sides. So what happens when you take log? So y take log is equal to log of limit is same as limit x tends to 0 of log. Okay, limit x tends to 0 of log tan x by x whole power 1 by x. Okay, so whenever you have log of a power b, so few of the identities of log are log of a power b is b dot log a. Okay, so I can write this as limit x tends to 0, power 1 by x will be here, 1 by x, log of tan x by x. Okay, so this is log a power b is b log a. So another formula for log is log of a by b. Log of a by b was log a minus log b. So three fundamental rules of log are: power will become product, division will become subtraction, product will become addition. So we have division here, right? So I can write this like log y as limit x tends to 0. Log of tan x by x is log tan x minus log x by this x will be here. Okay, so at this point we will evaluate the limit again by substituting x equal to 0. So whenever you see tan x in the limit, what you have to do? Tan x is x. So this is log x minus log x is 0 by, if you substitute 0 in place of x, it is 0. So whenever you have 0 by 0 form, this will lead to L'Hospital rule, right? So what is L'Hospital rule? L'Hospital rule says log y limit of some function by some function is equal to limit of differentiation of that function by differentiation of that function. Okay, so we'll get limit x tends to 0, log of tan x differentiation is differentiation of log of some function. What is differentiation of log of some function? If you have d by dx log of some function f of x, you can write this as 1 over f of x, because differentiation of log is 1 by f of x, and differentiate f of x again. So, okay, so in the denominator you have the function inside the log, and in the numerator you have the differentiation of the denominator. So you have log of tan x here, right? So log of tan x differentiation is 1 over tan x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x minus differentiation of log x is 1 over x divided by differentiation of x is 1. Okay, I will rewrite this like this. Okay, limit x tends to 0, secant square x by tan x. I can write tan x, whenever I see tan x in the limits, I can rewrite it as x. Okay, so secant square x by x minus 1 by x divided by 1, you can rewrite it as it is. Okay, so this is what? Now log y is equal to limit x tends to 0, secant square x minus 1 by x, because denominator is assigned, we can add the numerator. Okay, so now we will substitute evaluate limits by substituting 0 in place of x. So we will get secant square 0 minus 1 by 0, and secant square 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 0 is 0 by 0. So if you see 0 by 0, what you have to do? You have to apply L'Hospital's rule. So again, log y is equal to limit x tends to 0. What is differentiation of secant square x? 2 times secant x. The differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Okay, minus differentiation of 1 is 0 divided by differentiation of x is 1. So this is nothing but limit x tends to 0 to secant square x tan x. Okay, so now if you evaluate limits by substituting x equal to 0, what will you get? 2 secant square 0 tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0, right? And secant square is equal to 1. Secant square 0 is equal to 1. So 2 times 1 times 0 is 0. Okay. So we got log y is equal to 0, or y is equal to e power 0, which is nothing but y is equal to 1. Okay, so the limit evaluation is evaluated value is 1. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x whole power 1 by x is 1. Okay, this is how you solve limit question.
If you want to learn more about M1 and solve more questions, please do check out our course. Link is in the description. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.